Why don't you try? Someone do something!
I remember this when they first explained it a little bit. But yeah. Like his hair? We don't need to kill you. Against his
Come on, Zoro. Get it together. Get it together.
Obviously.
Oh
my god.
This guy.
I mean, they literally just need to waste time. He's honestly doing the right thing in terms of their team.
He's just taking a long time. You guys do something.
Do something.
Why have the villagers survived?
Swim in?
Yeah, just get in there and drag him up.
Good argument.
Fishermen are like knocked out, so I mean they can't just put
Make
all
sense.
in every way.
それがこの戦いの分かれ目なのだ。
Yep.
We can save him from us. It's not up to us. Everybody's coming together. We can just try our best. We just need to get past the...
彼らの戦いに水を差す
He's
結果
saying
にな
like
ってし
one
ま
of
って
them
は
should
意味
slip
がない。
away and go, yeah, go save him.
すまん、ありがとう。
That is pretty smart though. If like all of them just dipped, then all of them be like, oh hey, it's wrong.
私も行くよ。
Hammer?
お前は怪我を。
Just got shot.
She's full on the morale.
Does she have that giant hammer to like destroy the rock?
She's a giant hammer.
She's
She might be super strong.
よし、来い。
I really thought it was going to do it again.
I mean,
Just close.
even if you can get through it, and can you break that?
How do you get close? よし、来たな。
She's going in there like Ramona
I don't
Flower.
think Nami can do much
She go down to hit. I guess that's even more valid.
Like it was more them
She's so How about you just get like randomly just a bunch of really cool animation? This is like some Kingdom Hearts right now.
That's a great question.
Music from that shit, man.
Yeah, Max is using his foot.
実はな、人間の原始じゃ俺に絶対勝てない理由があるんだ。
What's the reason?
聞きたいだ
I'm
ろ。
very intrigued.
Yeah, let's hear it.
たまげるぞ。
Just
Yeah, they're fighting well.
imagine fighting a Nerf Zora right now.
Feeling better
Don't get too cocky. One, he's not using his preferred style. Two, he's injured and has a fever. Zoro, despite supposing to be like, he's supposed to be like the tank of the group, so to speak. But he is the biggest glass cannon of all time. He's like so goddamn strong.
going so fast they don't even know what happened.
Someone just went flying through a wall.
Oh no!
Sanji's over two.
It's not a good start, guys.
Dude, this is just a massacre.
Zoro was
And
full
people aren't
strength.
dying,
He
but
was doing a
there's
little bit
bodies
better.
everywhere.
Sanji was doing okay. Zoro was getting distracted. Well, seemingly. This guy might have been playing
Yeah,
around.
like Gen said, this is all dependent on if they can get Luffy
think that
out.
someone should show us some of the
Well, I wonder if the villagers are going to start realizing they may have to start fighting. Can't be damaged. Bro, so much of this broken
Like how the swords are like these pirate cutlasses.
great swordsman.
Sabers.
Dude, this would be a sick fight. Zoro versus this dude with six. He was crazy enough.
Wait, what? Why'd you do that?
Making a tornado.
Sanji gonna do more damage than them right now.
Even more. I was gonna say, like, if you already saw what we've already got teased that he has
The definition. Didn't he do something?
Powerful and
He created like a rope.
Yeah.
On that.
Our boys up.
Oh, yeah.
Get back in there, baby!
Oh. Still two of the swords.
The shock faces.
I was waiting for Big Bro. I was gonna call it out first. Or is he gonna take some of those swords and then Zoro's gonna power up?
And you're not gonna stop me. All of his training now, all of the fights from here on out, go towards fighting people. I like that. I like the highlight.
Damn, I wonder how long. Hey, until I fight that dude again, not even dead himself can stop me.
6 blades.
The power of his oath.
Look at the matchup.
What is that sound?
He's really good.
What speed?
That wouldn't have worked by just running away.
I never expected it. Really smart because he doesn't get those. I mean, they're not wrong. He's not a bad idea. Stroking yourself off so much, but it is a good idea.
えらい差がついちまったみてえだな。所詮巨人なんてお母ちゃんただの神だ。あ、これがカナダだ。
He's already
But
there,
if you
right?
get too far ahead, he might lose interest in going back. Shout out. You want to keep him like within range.
Put him out of my misery. It's just so funny. Like, why would we like this? Why would we like this?
You're not running back, are you?
These two are actually like MVPs for trying this.
Again.
In fact, they can just chill at the bottom of the ocean. Yeah, it's too much pressure on the water.
Are they speaking?
Oh? Land?
What? What'd you think of?
Get him, Sanji.
Pyro.
Get him.
All the people are gonna drag him out. He should be dead. Omu would be very helpful right now. Really? Fair enough.
Gee,
Why not?
there's no time.
Please not too badly injured.
He's just chilling.
Let's go! Hey, what a huge punch ain't gonna put him down.
魚野郎のパンチが40だ。
40th Dan punch.
それならいつも食らってたクソじじいの蹴りは400段だな。
He used to take that all the time. Sad, but
That's the point of the fight where the tides turn. They got clocked, now it's their time.
状態で六刀流のこの俺に勝てると思うのか？全世界の皆さんだって同じ意見だぞ。
The headband is going on.
今の兄貴の正体は
Showtime.
おそらく絆の熱を持
Hell,
ってしまって
throw him your swords. I know they're not katanas, but
傷が開いたりしようもんだ。
something.
あい
So
つは
you
間違い
fight
なく
like
死
you
ぬぞ。
used to.
でもそんなこと考えてる場合じゃねえ。
しかいねえんだ。見せてやるぜ、三刀流を。
How?
ニュー。山崎、ソニー。
Oh, okay.
メダル
Okay,
結
there
果
we go. Yes, thank you.
もちろんだ。
Yeah. Let's go.
Blade, they both stab him.
そうだ。
You gotta push
Is he
through.
about to catch the dude behind him?
人間には決してこれが
Listen, when I don't feel like doing anything.
Oh yeah.
He's got this on. And let's be real. Oh shit. Exactly sure that.
This is so sick.
トールを流し
Streaming.
That was so
wolf.
cool. No way.
Hey, I got double.
Yeah, he's like about to pass out.
お生々でしやがって怒ったぞこの野郎殺してやるただ散歩しかモテやしねえお前が刀をこの俺に勝たせたんだろうが
That's such an infantile thing to think. But then again, that's exactly what Zoro was thinking when he was a kid.
俺はあいつの分も強くなるから天国まで俺の名が届くように強
That
くな
line
る
is
から
still so
Dig
good.
down deep, buddy.
強い傾向になる
I
から
love
さ
Zoro's story, man. The whole Mihawk thing is just added to it too.
Luffy and that.
Like a place that's basically heaven in this verse. Scribe, yeah.
3本だろうが6本だろうがそんなことは関係ねえ俺の剣とお前の剣じゃ
Different emotional
Yeah.
Sick.
That they do. That they do.
Luffy's been under that water for 12 years.
Those blades look really odd in his hands. I think it's just like it's a different style of blade though. Than what he
重みだそうかなるほどお前の剣は重いのかだがなこう見えても
I knew he was gonna go that route. I just knew it.
It's okay.
Be happy. Also, I'm
He's
carrying
such an
six.
O.
ロックオリア本物の
Appreciate the
か
consistency.
Oh my gosh. I thought something was gonna happen.
Inherently, he's doing a good job of stalling. He doesn't even know that.
Stay up, buddy. You got this.
And if Zoro can do this in 5 seconds, in that stage, imagine that one of the We already saw a lot of fights from him.
I feel like it's gonna get to the point where these
bullshit, Johnny.
they're fighting.
I love you, man, but bullshit.
Numbers.
Zoro's so badass, man. Oh my gosh. That reminded me so much of the way Mihawk stopped his swords. Except it was reversed. Yeah, this is really cool.
I like that. All him now. Fixing the stand.
Imagine that nothing.
See Arlong's reaction.
Yo,
stab her shoulder. She's not doing it.
I love seeing her wear the straw hat.
No, go against them as
They
well.
should kill them. That
Help her friend.
I feel like it would be appropriate though if she was a part of it.
She's on her way.
Lives, yeah.
Join the fight.
Hopefully she gets
That was gonna be the end.
But she's got
Macho Man is down, baby.
Way funnier if double hand.
Install.
Yeah.
Killing blow. Someone that can withstand that kind of fun.
How do you Didn't he like slice up? Slice up
Aww. I can't decide what I want to see the return of in the future. Like, restaurant,
Yeah.
Don Creek through, Mihawk,
Sanji's basically determined,
Shanks,
next one.
Toby.
その体で海になんか入ったら死んじまうぞ。
Hopefully Luffy is already rescued by the other dad lady.
Like I said, he doesn't know that people are already on it.
もう時間がねえことぐらい分かってるよ。そんなこと100も承知で止めてんだ。
He jumps in, Arlong will jump in.
Maybe he could like use his townsfolk or try to do that. Like create air pockets or something.
Oh my God! My God, do it!
石は砕け
I didn't see this
I
coming.
guess Sanji was just like, we need to do something. I have to jump in, risk my life.
俺があの石さえ聞いたら
Just gotta get there fast.
任せられる。
He's the main player and he hasn't even stepped in.
I can't.
Talking into the next shot,